Types of system. We can classify the different types of system based on whether there is some energy transfer, either heat or work, or there is some mass transfer. So first type of system we have is closed system, also known as non-flow process. In this system there will be energy transfer. It could be via heat or via work, or it could be via both, but there will be energy transfer, but there will not be any mass transfer. So any system in which there is only energy transfer and no mass transfer, such a system is called as your closed system or non-flow process. Examples, if we talk about, it's the first one, that is your piston cylinder arrangement without valves. When there is no valves, of course there is no question of getting any mass in or out. Second example we have is a gas in a closed container. Third one is your power plant, the entire power plant cycle, and then refrigeration cycle plant. So remember these examples, these are for your objective questions. Second system we have is open system or your flow process. In this we have some energy transfer as well as mass transfer. The examples for open system or flow process we have is turbine, pump, compressor, condenser, boiler, nozzle, diffuser. Third and the last system we have is isolated system. In such a system there is no energy transfer and there is no mass transfer, just like you have thermos flask or the universe as a whole. Why are we calling this universe as a isolated system? Because we know that this is your system, this is being surrounded with some boundary, so this is your surrounding. Now if we encapsulate the system and surrounding as a whole, everything is there inside itself. So this red color region the red color portion is called as your universe. Now it's quite pretty clear that nothing can go out of this universe, nothing can come inside this universe, and hence there is no energy transfer, no mass transfer. Therefore this universe is considered to be an isolated system. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.